Sarah, the smartest Maltese dog in town. With her trusty round glasses and a toolkit always by her side, she's not your ordinary pup. Sarah loves inventing new things, especially when it comes to helping her family. One day, Sarah saw Grandma struggling with chores, and she knew she had to do something. With a spark of inspiration, Sarah dashed to her workshop, ready to bring her ideas to life. Sarah got to work, coding and designing with determination. She used her 3D printer to create parts, carefully assembling each piece until her invention was complete. Out from her workshop came a clever little robot, designed to help with all the household chores. From folding laundry to sweeping the floor, the robot made life easier for everyone. Thanks to Sarah's creativity and love for her family, the house was full of smiles. She showed that with a little imagination and technology, we can make the world a better place, one invention at a time.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and share the magic with your friends.